As I placed the train on my digital layout here for the first time, I noticed that the trailing cab windows started to flicker, and upon closer inspection I found out that it actually has a light bulb in the back there, and that also means that it has power pickup, and therefore it is a prime candidate with a full interior to put in some interior lighting and some risers as well. So in the meantime, let's power up this locomotive and see what we have. So let's check out the finished product. Let's turn on the headlights first. That looks very nice. Next we're going to do the cab lighting. A little too bright, but still nice. And then lastly, check out the tail lights. Yeah. So I think that actually worked out very, very well. Alright, let's take it for its first spin. Let me check my track settings, which look good. Turn on the headlight, we're going in the right direction. Alright, let's see how it does on its maiden voyage. Turn the headlights on. And here we go. So overall, I'm very happy with how this turned out. The sketchiness of the locomotive going down the track, along with the lights flickering, seems to indicate that it could benefit from a capacitor power pack. I don't have one right now. Same thing with the function decoder. I don't have any on hand right now. But the fact that the trailing car has power pickup and it has a full interior definitely means that there's going to have to be a part 2 when I make those 2 modifications. Otherwise, this is a beautiful lock, and it's the first time that it has run on my track and probably since I've owned it for 20 years, so I'm very happy with the result. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.